Hello everyone, welcome back at TechET. The Google Pixel 7 range could be made up of 4 models. We got this news from My Smart Prices. They have uncovered FCC certification for some new next-gen Google smartphones. FCC certification is one of the final steps prior to a smartphone launching in the US, meaning that the Pixel 7 seems certain to make its release in the fall. What the FCC also tells us through its certification listing is what type of connectivity the phones have, giving us an insight into those upcoming handsets. According to these listings, there are 4 total models. 2 of those offer sub-6 GHz 5G connectivity only, and the other 2 also have millimeter wave 5G too. Many experts are saying that the reason 2 of the models have different code names is because Google gives Japan its own specific Pixel models. These are identical to the Pixel handsets the rest of the world gets, but add support for the Felica contactless card standard commonly used in Japan and other Asian countries. These models also offer support for ultra-wideband, which enables features like sending data to nearby devices or unlocking compatible cards. These 2 units are likely to be the Pixel 7 Pro, since the Google Pixel 6 Pro also offered ultra-wideband. The FCC's analysis also confirms less surprising features for the 4 phones, like wireless charging, Bluetooth, NFC and Wi-Fi 6E. So far we got leaks about only 2 models of the Pixel lineup. These new phones are not getting any big camera hardware changes this year. Only Google is updating the design of the rear camera bar with a metal body that helps highlight the sensor on the back of the both Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro. We know both phones will use a 2nd gen Tensor chip too. We may be seeing the Pixel 7 series debut on the October 6, although all Google said officially is that there will be a fall release. So that's all for now. Until then, keep an eye out on our Google Pixel 7 videos for the latest information, and I will see you on the next one.